guys, I'm just super excited that the new DJI is supposed to be called the Mavic Air. That's awesome. I can't wait. I'm very happy. I gotta see though, I was gonna go ahead, I always purchase the newest drone at the, it was announced, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it this time because there's a lot basically right now with Altel and other kind of drones too, so it's pretty cool. But I don't know, I heard it's only like 21 minutes flight time, and it's 4K 60. I don't know how much bigger the sensor is, but yeah, I can't wait to go ahead and check it out. And yeah, it'd be really awesome. I'm just gonna go ahead and listen to the presentation and how it's all about, and check it out. But I'm excited because I always fascinate with DJI new drones, especially with awesome features. That's about it, really. I just can't wait. I want to see how this adventure unfold going to be, because apparently, when this adventure unfold, it means does it come off with a camera, action camera, I mean, there's a lot of places that we can't even use our drone nowadays, so it's very interesting. It'd be awesome if they do come out with just detachable camera also, that if we're not allowed to use our drone or any other park or anywhere we go, or there's a near airfield, at least we can just take off the camera. Not kind of like the GoPro Karma deal, but it's just similar idea to it. It'd be awesome. I don't know reason why DJI is not coming out with action camera. I think it's time for them to come out with the action camera. I mean, everybody use action camera when you jump on a plane, you ride a motorcycle, and you're doing active sport or anything else, or go under the water, 35 feet under, whatever, it'd be really awesome then. But yes, I'm super excited what they're coming out with, and I think it'd be awesome if they do come out with a Phantom 5, or I've been saying before, or the Mavic 2. I'm pretty happy with the DJI Spark, but I'm gonna see how it's all turn up too. But anyway, thank you for tuning into my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Hovering, ready for my command. Just imagine I got a Phantom 5 here, or Mavic 2. So anyway, just saying, pretty awesome drones. You can see over here, this drone right here is following me at the same time, and it's just amazing what this tool can do.
So I got a big question for you guys. I just want to know if you do come out with a Phantom 5 and also come out with a Mavic 2 released at the same time, the same camera, same frame rate, same flight time, same range, but the Mavic 2, it's much smaller than a Phantom 5. I mean, are we gonna, that's the thing. I bought the Mavic Pro because of the, portability. That's why I got rid of my Phantom 4. So, I mean, there's a question that I have, because I like portability. And to me, portability is king, but I don't know about you guys. But like I said, with the experience with the Mavic and also with the Spark, I have more flight time with them. So I just want to know what you guys' thoughts, and especially for the fan, and I really appreciate it.